So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the remote of Voltas Inverter AC in very detailed and in simple words. So let's start the video. You can see the power button in the remote. With this you can turn the AC on and off. After that the next button is the temperature up down button. Now the more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will decrease. The more you lower the temperature, the more cooling it will do. Its lowest temperature is 16 degrees. Now the more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 30 degrees. If you only want cooling and also want to reduce the electricity bill, then use it in 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. And if you feel more cooling in 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 27 degrees take. And if you are feeling hot at 26 degrees, then you can set the temperature of your AC to 25 or 24. The next button after that is fan. This is for the speed of the fan that is blowing from the indoor unit. It works in 4 speeds. Right now the fan speed is in auto. Right now the fan speed is in low. Right now the fan speed is in medium. Right now the fan speed is in high. You can control the speed of the fan according to your needs. If you want to cool the room quickly, then you can set the fan speed to high. After that the next button is mode. There are 4 functions given in the mode button. On pressing the mode button, you will see the mode in the remote. Now the mode is cool. Now the mode is dry. Now the mode is heat. Now the mode is fan. Now I will tell you the details of the mode in very simple words. In cool mode all the buttons of the AC remote will work, and in this mode the AC will cool, and in cool mode the AC will cool as per your requirement. The next mode after that is dry. You can use dry in the rainy season. There is a lot of humidity in the rainy season and there is sticky heat. So using the AC in dry removes that humidity. The next mode is heat. Note that if your AC supports heat mode, then only you can use heat mode. If your AC does not support heat mode, then you cannot use heat mode. If your AC supports heat mode, then you can heat your room by using heat mode in cold weather. The next mode after that is fan mode. In fan, the AC will not cool, only the fan of the indoor unit will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want the cooling of the AC and you only want to use the fan of the AC, then you can use fan mode as. The next button is horizontal swing. This button is for the swing flap in front of the AC. It works in up and down. Using this swing will spread the cooling of the AC in the room quickly. And wherever you want to stop the swing flap, by pressing this button the swing flap of the AC will stop there, and by pressing this button again the swing flap will start working automatically. The next button is vertical swing. This button is for the swing inside the AC. It works from right to left. Using this swing will spread the cooling of the AC in the room quickly. And wherever you want to stop the swing, pressing this button will stop the swing of the AC, and pressing this button again will make the swing work automatically. The next button is sleep. The sleep mode on Voltas Inverter AC gradually increases the temperature throughout the night so that you can sleep comfortably. This is a low power mode that helps you save energy. The AC gradually increases the temperature by 0.5 to 1 degree Celsius per hour, up to a maximum of 3 degrees Celsius per hour. When the desired temperature is reached, the AC automatically turns off and on again. Sleep mode helps you sleep easily. If you wake up in the middle of the night, it helps you get back to sleep quickly and can increase the life of your system and reduce AC servicing costs. And those who want to sleep comfortably without overcooling and save money on electricity bills can use sleep mode. After that the next button is turbo. Generally, whenever we turn on the AC, the compressor turns on in 3 minutes. But by pressing the turbo button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit also increases significantly. If you are coming to your room from outside and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you want quick cooling, then you can use the turbo button. In this the room cools very quickly. The next button is lamp. By pressing the lamp button, the display of your AC will turn off but your AC will remain on. This button can be used only to turn off the light of the display of the AC. The next button is saver. By pressing the saver button, the temperature of the AC is set to 24 degrees and the speed of the fan of the indoor unit will start running in medium. For energy conscious users in saver mode, eco mode helps balance cooling with less power consumption, which helps in reducing energy bills. Great for everyday use while cutting down on. The next button is timer on. Timer on does not have the function of timer on. It is a dummy button. The next button is timer off. To turn off the AC automatically, we first have to set the time in timer off. By pressing the timer off button, you can see the time in the remote. In timer off, you can set the time from 1 hour to 24 hours. Suppose I want my AC to turn off automatically after 7 hours. So now I will set 7 hours using the timer off button on the remote, and the timer will automatically turn off in 7 hours, and on pressing the set button on the remote the timer will turn off for 7 hours. If you want to cancel the timer, press the power button of the remote twice and the timer will be cancelled. The next button is temp. Pressing the temp button will display the room temperature in the indoor unit. You can use this button to view the room temperature. The next button is Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi feature in Voltas Inverter AC lets you remotely control the AC from your smartphone or tablet, allowing you to change the temperature, mode and other settings even when you are not at home. This feature only works with Voltas Wi-Fi enabled AC models, such as 173 volts WZJ and 183 WZJ. If you understood the information given by me, then like my video and subscribe to the channel.